Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Mercedes A-Class. First, it's a good idea to test the battery and see what's the voltage of it. So take your voltmeter, set it to 20 volts direct current and connect the positive here and the negative on the frame of the car. Now, a simple and easy test to do is to start the car and the battery should not drop below 10 volts. A good healthy battery will not allow the voltage to drop below 11 volts. If it's below 10, then the battery is damaged, especially on these newer cars which does not require a lot of cold cranking arms from the battery. Pull out this hood release cable and then pull on this cover and if you have a battery tester like this, go ahead and connect your terminals as close as possible to the boards, just like that. It's called cranking arms 760 in English, European. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose this and I will choose 760. Well, you can see the life of it is 49%, result caution, and that's even after the battery was charged. Down here you've got a 13mm bolt. Once this comes out, the bracket will be moving, the battery will be able to be removed. Alright, so now in order to keep the computer on and not be necessary to reset a lot of values and reset sensors around the engine, I'm going to keep the 12 volt supply to the computer and to all the electronics in the car. I've got here an extra 12 volt battery which I connected directly to the terminals of the car battery, as you can see, and right now I'm looking forward to connect this a little bit better. Alright, so I've got a good solid connection of the second battery on the terminals of the car battery, and now I can go ahead and remove the terminals from the car battery. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry it out if necessary. And if you notice, the voltage already dropped because this external battery is a little bit low in voltage, but anyway it's keeping the computer on since it's still 12 volts. The only thing that you should not do at this time is to start the car, so do not attempt to start the car at this point. So I can pry it out from this side because this terminal doesn't want to come out. Alright. Disconnect this vent hose and finally the battery is free. The computer still has the voltage. Now is the time to break your back and take out the battery from here. Try to not meet these 2 points. Definitely don't want to do that. Now it's time to install the new battery. It will be much easier in 2 people. Alright, I didn't catch it on camera, but that bracket down there, which moves right now, you have to drop it from the top. You drop it down there, you fix it inside there through the hole, and then the other part will come out through this way, because if you leave the bracket there and put the battery on top, you will never be able to put the bracket on the battery because the bracket will sit under the battery. So therefore you have to drop it from the top, from here. And you'll notice that when connecting the terminals, there is no spark. Now I can finally remove the external battery. Right, this one has 95% of life, result is good. So that was it guys, job done. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos about this car, there is gonna be a link in the description below with the playlist I made about it. Also, if you want to stay tuned and see more car repair videos I'm gonna make in the future, hit that subscribe button as well. And until next time, drive safe so I can see you in the next video.